Before my fully working prototype, version white, was completed, there were actually two other prototypes, version red and version peach. Version peach was the first one that I did that tested out some really basic concepts like could I create a Cherry MX keypad? Could I figure out a way to make it portable with a battery? Red came along, and then I was able to test out concepts like a speaker, an I2C hub, Bluetooth, that kind of thing. And then, yeah, like I posted recently about version white, but of course I can't leave well enough alone. I actually have version orange that I'm got in the works. It's going to feature things like a PCB. It will have some additional LEDs. I may actually use a graphical display for that one and some other things. Also, I've modularized in the 3D software a way to essentially build out your own kind of version, like whether it has a keypad or not, whether it has one or three knobs, whether it has a battery or not, or any combination thereof. So I can make little runts like that one. So that's an update.